Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny and welcome to yet another Amazon haul. I have previously made so many Amazon hauls that I lost count literally, like Amazon winter wear haul, Amazon festive or wedding wear haul, Amazon ethnic kurta set haul, Amazon beauty haul, etc, etc. In case you are interested, the links are in my description box, so please check them out after you're done watching this video. And with saying all this, now let's get into today's video. But before that, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Go follow me there to get more of me. And yeah, now let's get started with today's haul. Okay, so this time I have got clothing and jewelries from Amazon. So let's start with clothing first. So the very first item I have got is this pastel pink full sleeve top. Now this top is something I was literally eyeing from so long, but I wasn't sure about the quality, but I somehow forced myself this time to get this top and I'm so glad that I got it. So this is how the top looks like. You guys know I just love this kind of cottage coat top. So it has this sweetheart neckline which I absolutely love, and the material is chiffon, I guess. So the sleeves are kind of transparent. It has this kind of thread detailing all over the top which looks really pretty. It has super soft material and super airy, very comfortable to wear. This is how the back side looks like. It has elastic, very stretchable top. Love the overall top so much. Love the fit of this top. I am the size small in this and the price of this one was 549 rupees and इसका एक black variant भी आपको मिल जाएगी. By the way, all the individual buying links as well as my haul store link are given in my description box down below. And if you don't know about my haul store link, well, there is a single link which is called my haul store link given in my description box. If you tap on that particular link, you will be able to see all the products from this haul together. So don't forget to check out the description box for the links. The next thing I have got is this reeved polo collar full sleeve top. Now this is something I am trying for the first time. I mean the collar thing. You will never see me in something which has collars. I hate collars except jackets, obviously. Collar is just not my style, that's not me, and that's why you will never see me wearing a shirt. I had never worn a shirt in my whole life. Like bachpan mein I had 2 shirts which were gifted by some of my relatives, and my mother literally used to force me to wear those shirts. Anyway, so I just really like this color, very versatile, so I thought of getting it, and I really like the overall look of this top, but that does not mean I love collars now, right? Maybe. Okay, now let's talk about this top. So this is how the top looks like. It's reeved as like I said. So it's really stretchable, super soft and so comfortable material. Perfect for chilly winter days. It gives a perfect warmth. And as I always say this, I love buying solid tops, basic tops. So you can style them in so many different ways. Price of this top was 499 rupees and I am in the size small in this. So definitely check this one out. The next top I had ordered was this top right here, which was from the same brand like the previous top, but it did not get delivered because of some reason. I don't know what went wrong, but I was really excited for this top. It's currently unavailable, so I can't really place my order again. The next thing which I got is not for me, actually that's for my mother. So I got this shawl and I am stunned after seeing the quality of this shawl. I mean, can you see this? It's so freaking soft, guys. It's not thick, it's not heavy, it's super light. Can you see? But it's just give the perfect warmth. My mother was literally so happy after getting it. The color is so pretty. आप इसको both side पहन सकते हो, like you can see, and the price is only 550 rupees, which is such a steal. Definitely give this a try if you are looking for something like this. Then I have got bunch of Indian jewelry pieces. मेरे पास ऐसी इंडियन jewelry sets नहीं थी इससे पहले, एंड आई हैड टू अटेंड सो मेनी, like not so many, I had two weddings that I had to attend, so I got this. So the first set I have got is this golden pearl and stole detailing wala necklace with studs, and you might have already seen me wearing it in my last video. If not, then इस वीडियो के खत्म होने के बाद जरूर जाके देख लेना, but अभी ये देखो. Just look at the quality, so sturdy and does not look cheap at all, but the price wise it's really cheap, only for 278 rupees. Trust me, मैंने expect ही नहीं की थी कि इसकी quality इतनी अच्छी आएगी. It looks so stunning, so gorgeous, and जहाँ भी मैं जा रही थी ये पहन के, literally everyone gave me compliments about this neck piece. You can wear it with your ethnic wear, your Indo-Western wear, anything. Such a stunner, such a statement piece, and इसका एक silver variant भी available था, but वो it's currently not available. The next set of jewelry I have got is this beautiful stone and pearl detailing choker neck piece and a pair of earrings and a mang tika. Perfect set for the big fat Indian weddings. It just looks so freaking gorgeous. You can wear it with your sari, salwar or lehengas. It will definitely lift your whole outfit even more. And the price of the whole set was 385 rupees only. Then I have got this adjustable kundan finger ring. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? Next thing I have got is this kundan detailing adjustable finger ring. Again, a statement piece of jewelry, so gorgeous and beautiful. Also, the quality is really amazing. I always like to keep my outfit minimal, and the jewelry is heavy and gorgeous when it comes to Indian wear. So I always look for this kind of heavy, gorgeous statement Indian piece of jewelry. And the price of this ring was 209 rupees. The next thing I have got is this pearl detailing golden वेस्ट चेन ही कहते हैं ना इसे, मे बी. Anyway, I just love this because it's so perfect, and I have never wore a waist chain in my life इससे पहले. But the look I was going for the sari was a solid sari, and I needed some elements to add some detailing to my outfit, so I got this one, and it just added the perfect touch I needed that day. So minimal, yet it gave the perfect statement piece vibe. The price of this one was 268 rupees. Definitely check this one out if you are looking for a minimal waist chain. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the buying links. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Also, I think this would be the very last video of 2021 maybe. So enjoy the last few days of 2021, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be on next year. So yeah, bye.